Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your V Mart smartwatch to your phone. First, you'll want to download the specific companion app for your V Mart smartwatch from your phone's app store. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. It's also a good idea to fully charge your V Mart smartwatch before you begin, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted pairing experience. This initial preparation is key for a successful connection. Once the app is installed, open it up. You might need to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Inside the app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Device. This is usually found in the Settings or a dedicated device section. From the list of available devices that appears, simply select your V Mart smartwatch. This step initiates the crucial connection between your phone and watch. After selecting your watch, you'll typically see a pairing request appear on both your phone and your V Mart smartwatch. Be sure to confirm this request on both devices. Next, the app will likely ask for certain permissions, such as access to notifications or location. Grant these for full functionality. Finally, take a moment to personalize your experience by customizing watch faces and setting up your preferred notification alerts directly within the app. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and your V Mart smartwatch can often resolve many problems. Also, always ensure that the companion app is updated to its very latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Lastly, double-check that your phone model is compatible with your specific V Mart smartwatch to avoid any unforeseen technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.